Well, markets are closed today for President's Day, so no opening bell. But the futures shows that we are slightly up across the major indexes on the Dow, S&P and NASDAQ. But you know what? Keith Fitz-Gerald is here to give us his insights, so not all is lost. Good morning to you, Keith. AI, as we know, has been one of the biggest market drivers we've seen in some time. So the question is, should all investors have some sort of exposure to AI in their portfolios?
Good morning. And to me, the answer is absolutely yes. Think about this. How many people have you heard or known that said, I just wish I'd caught Microsoft. I wish I'd caught Apple. I wish I'd caught Amazon back in the day. Why people continue to resist this is beyond me.
It's interesting, isn't it? You're looking at some earnings this week. Got some biggies in here. Let's start talking of AI and the chips that fuel AI. Nvidia. What are you expecting? What are you expecting from them this week?
Well, I'm expecting very, very strong numbers, several 100% to the upside over where they were last year. So 20 billion in revenue, 4.5 or more on earnings. But the key is going to be guidance. I think customers are going to buy every chip that Nvidia makes for the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years. So if that's strong, the stock still has plenty of energy.
Interesting. Also, we're going to be hearing from Walmart. I mean, often seen as a bellwether for the consumer. What are you expecting there?
That's an interesting one. They've mounted a very credible charge to Amazon. What I'm going to be looking for is that they have a handle on inventory management. They don't make a Target-like mistake. If consumers continue to buy must-have stuff and they've got a handle on that, again, I think we're going to see some strong guidance, strong results from Walmart.
Interesting. Another one for you, Home Depot. Are people doing home improvement projects, or is companies like Home Depot and Lowe's struggling?
I think it's the latter. I think they're struggling. And I say that anecdotally, but also through plenty of research. People are looking at replacing their sinks, not redoing the entire bathroom. If you watch the contractors load up, it bit parts, not massive re-engagement renovation supplies. So to me, the anecdotal evidence suggests that there's going to be a little bit of pressure on those stocks.
Very interesting. We're already out of time. Keith, thank you so much for being here on this Monday, President's Day. Appreciate it. Many companies, by the way, looking to cut costs this year. And of course, one of the best ways, unfortunately, to do that is through layoffs. Lauren, which big companies have already announced layoffs?